How's it going again, everybody? It's your old pal Rob. This next project is going to be a cat shelter for a friend of mine at work. He has a cat that comes around his house pretty frequently, and he wanted someplace to allow the cat to take shelter, I guess. So we went to the next bay over from where I work. They ship supplies out, and as a result they generate a lot of scrap wood. So we went and found the best pieces, and I bought a few things at the Home Depot, and I am going to build him a cat shelter. So let's get started. So the first thing I got to do is rip these all down. Right now they're all in between 17.5 inches and 18.5 inches. So I'm going to take them all down to 17 inches and get going from there. Okay, got them all cut. Now I'm going to cut the end pieces. I'm going to cut those down to 18 inches. I'm going to use these first two because they got some pretty crappy ends. Alright, got those cut. I'm going to cut these 2x2s here in order to get them all in place. Alright, got those cut. Let's get those attached. Alright, so one thing I forgot to do before I put the ends on is make a hole for the cat to go in and out of. And he wants one on both ends, so what I've done is I've drawn a 10-inch line here and a 10-inch line here, and then I'm just going to connect these to make an opening for the cat to go in and out of. Alright, so let me do that. they're cut. Now we can get them put together. All right, that is what I have so far. Now I am going to cut the bottom here. I have a piece of 1/4-inch plywood in the garage there. There's the floor in. It's a little bit wobbly. I'm pretty sure because the plywood that I used is pretty freaking warped. As you probably saw when I was cutting it with the table saw. All right, there's the carpet in. I have put wood glue on there. I didn't have any other kind of adhesive, so didn't think to buy carpet tape or anything. So hopefully the wood glue will hold. Anyway, that's in there for now. I'll let that dry. I got the fence posts cut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them in like this. I've already got it all measured what all I have to do. So I'm going to lay them in like this. This is cedar. Cedar's good for it's weather resistant, and it is also insect resistant. And around here in this area, California, termites are a big issue. So hopefully by using cedar, you can eliminate that. Alright, there are the cedar fence posts on both sides. He wants the lid to come off so that they can clean inside here or whatever. So, alright, here's the lid. I just kind of put a couple screws in there to see if it's going to fit. So, these pieces should fit down. pretty good fit. All right, let me put another carpet on the top there. All right, I got the carpet on the top there. I think I'm using nearly every clamp that I have to make sure this stays, gets glued down on the ends. It's the most important. So, all right, gonna let that dry for a little while. All right, I'm gonna start putting the slats on the front and the back now. Okay, there it is, almost all done. I have this gap in here because I decided not to overlap them on the front here. It just wasn't looking good. I also decided that I would leave this here like that because I thought that hole was just too big. And this, I don't know if it looks weird or not, I don't know. But I think I actually like the hole a little better like that. So I sanded everything down on the edges there. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut a small strip to put in there, and then maybe put some carpet, overlap the carpet on it so that it comes all down nice and neat on that. All right, got the top all on, the carpet put in the front there. I think it looks a lot better. All right, I got one last thing to do, and then this project is officially finished. Okay, I decided I'm going to put his name on the outside of the cat house. So I'm going to put it in my handy dandy homemade painting whatever. All right, I am done painting. Just wait for that to dry. I think it's going to come out okay. All right, it's pretty dry, so let's go ahead and take the tape off and see what it looks like. You are going to find out with me.
The suspense is terrible. He's gonna go this time. I hope it'll last.
All right, not too bad, not too bad. Let me get this put on the house, and I'll show you that when I'm done. All right, well, there it is, all done. I am pretty happy with how it came out. So, it's kind of a fun little build. Okay, well, that's it. I hope you like it. Click subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like if you like this project. And I will see you again on the next one. Go be awesome.